Hi, my name is Zach Miller with LeBar Oxney Insurance, and I'm a senior HOA insurance broker. I've been selling commercial earthquake policies for over 15 years, and oftentimes one of the biggest challenges we find is that because it's such a large common expense for associations, it's difficult to get more than 50% of the community interested in. Yet, on the personal earthquake insurance side, folks couldn't get comprehensive coverage, and the coverage that was available to them was only available on a very limited basis with a lot of stringent requirements. So I was really excited when I learned about the Modus program because Modus does a great job of blending the best of both worlds. Comprehensive earthquake insurance coverage for individual owners, yet with no impact to the association's insurance budget. One thing that I like to tell boards when I'm presenting them with the Modus product is that it's a way of ensuring not only your unit, but protecting the equity that you have in your unit on an individual basis. And the great part is that owners that aren't interested in it, it doesn't cost them anything because it's not a common expense, it's an individual expense. So what a lot of associations don't know is that all damage to the common area property must be repaired in common between all the unit owners. So whether your building's damaged or your neighbor's building's damaged, everyone is in it together. Those damages are usually paid for via special assessment. What's nice about the Modus policy is that owners that get a Modus policy can have that full assessment paid on their behalf. Moreover, if the association doesn't decide to rebuild, and let's say a lot of unit owners walk away, those with the Modus policy will be compensated for the lost value of their unit. With earthquake insurance, it's absolutely vital to work with the strongest carriers possible because after all, earthquake events are catastrophic and often do widespread, devastating damage over a large geographic region. Modus works with the strongest earthquake carriers in the business, all A-rated with 30 years plus experience and a deep understanding of the underwriting risk involved with earthquake. Therefore, you'll be properly covered and there's no risk of insolvency post-earthquake.